In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the drawing guide in Procreate. I use this often when I'm creating coloring pages, so let's get right into it. So I've already created my canvas and I'm trying to draw, but you know, I don't have any lines to work with, so I'll go into my Actions toolbar, I go to Canvas, Drawing Guide, and I might edit my drawing guide to change my lines. If I want to create a square, or if I want to make something, if I want to do two things that are kind of close together and I need a measurement, then I have the drawing guide. So that's one way I would use it. You can go back in and edit your drawing guide. The only ones I really use when I'm doing coloring are second grid and symmetry. Symmetry I've sometimes used, so you can draw the same thing on both sides. You can use your perspective to create a vanishing point. You can move that vanishing point around. You can change the thickness of your line and the opacity of your lines. I often change if I'm trying to find the center, if I'm making a coloring book cover, or if I'm just trying to make things look tidy. I might change my grid sizes like this. I very rarely change the opacity, but you can do that, or your line thickness. You can also change the color at the top if you'd like to change the color of your grid. I don't know why you'd do that or if you'd have a need for that, but that's up to you. When you're done, you click Done. That's how you use the drawing guide in Procreate. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.